Hello kids! Today, we're going to learn how to make a sentence in English. It's just like putting blocks together. Look at this. Subject I, the person doing the action, verb eat, the action, object lunch, what the action is done to. Put them together and what do we get? I eat lunch. Yay! You just made a full sentence using subject plus verb plus object. Now let's learn more fun sentences together. Sentence: I comb my hair. Subject I, the person doing the action, verb comb, the action that is being done, object my hair, what the action is being done to. Sentence structure: subject plus verb plus object I plus comb plus my hair. Sentence: I use lotion. Subject I, the person doing the action, verb use, the action that is being done, object lotion, what the action is being done to. Sentence structure: subject plus verb plus object I plus use plus lotion. Sentence: I sing a song. Subject I, the person doing the action, verb sing, the action that is being done, object a song, what the action is being done to. Sentence structure: subject plus verb plus object I plus sing plus a song. Sentence: I dance happily. Subject is I, the person doing the action, verb is dance, the action that is being done, adverb is happily, how the action is being done. Sentence structure: subject plus verb plus adverb I plus dance plus happily.
Hello ma'am, I have a question. In the sentence I dance happily, how do we know what is the verb and what is the adverb?
Great question. Let's look at the sentence. I dance happily. Dance is the verb because it shows the action, what you are doing. Happily is the adverb because it tells us how the action is being done. So, you not just dancing, you dancing happily. Adverbs often end in lie and describe how, when, or where an action happens. Keep asking questions, that's how we learn. Sentence: I play with Teddy. Subject is I, the person doing the action, verb is play, the action that is being done, object is with Teddy, who the action is being done with. Sentence structure: subject plus verb plus object I plus play plus with Teddy. Alright kids, let's look at this sentence. I find my toy. Let's break it into 3 parts, like we do with building blocks. First is the subject, I, that's the person who is doing the action. And yes, I means you. You are doing something. Next is the verb find, that's the action word. It tells us what you are doing. So here, you are finding something. And last is the object, my toy, that's the thing you are finding, your toy. So when we say, I find my toy, we are using subject plus verb plus object I plus find plus my toy. Next example sentence: I keep toys back. Subject is I, the person doing the action, verb is keep, the action that is being done, object is toys, what the action is being done to, adverb is back, tells where or how the action is done. Sentence structure: subject plus verb plus object plus adverb I plus keep plus toys plus back. Next example, let's look at the sentence. I cut the cake. I is the subject, that's who is doing the action. Cut is the verb, the action happening. The cake is the object, that's what you are cutting. So the sentence is built like this. Subject plus verb plus object, easy and tasty. Just like cake. Let's read this sentence. I share my sweets. I is the subject. It tells who is doing the action. Share is the verb. It shows what action is happening. My sweets is the object. It tells what you are sharing. So we built this sentence using subject plus verb plus object. Great job. Keep sharing and keep learning. Let's read this sentence. I say sorry to my friend. I is the subject, that's who is doing the action. Say is the verb, the action. Sorry is the object, what you are saying. To my friend tells us to whom you are saying it, that's a prepositional phrase. Great. You're learning how to build longer, more meaningful sentences. Keep it up. Let's read this lovely sentence. I smile every day. I is the subject, who is doing the action. Smile is the verb, the action. Every day is the adverb, it tells us how often you smile. That means you're a happy person who smiles daily, and that's amazing. Now, Let's try making more sentences like this. Let's look at the sentence. I feel sleepy. I is the subject, the person who feels. Feel is the verb that tells what the subject is doing or experiencing. Sleepy is the adjective that tells how the subject feels. So you retelling someone how you feel. That's a very useful sentence in daily life. Now you try saying how you feel. Great job, kids. Today we learned how to build sentences using subject, who is doing the action, verb, the action being done, object, or adjective, adverb, what or how something is done. You saw how easy it is to make sentences like I feel sleepy, I play with Teddy, and I cut the cake. Keep practicing these fun sentences every day to speak English confidently. And in the next video, we'll learn how to make questions and negative sentences. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to keep learning with us.
I hope you are learning very well. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. We learned how to build English sentences using simple building blocks like subject, who is doing the action, like I, verb, what action is being done, like cut or feel, object, adjective and adverbs, what, how the action is done, like the cake or sleepy. You saw how easy it is to create fun sentences like I feel sleepy, I play with Teddy, I cut the cake. Isn't that cool? You liked it? You have already speaking better English. One sentence a day. Keep this thing in mind. One sentence a day keeps fear away. Think it, say it, and learn it. Speak simple, speak smart, build your English one block at a time. Keep practicing these fun sentences every day. That is how you will become confident English speaker. And guess what? In our next video, we will learn how to make questions and negative sentences. It will be more fun. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the video, share it with your friends, subscribe Principal Sir YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Principal Sir YouTube channel.